Hello, Professor. So this is the next part of my assignment where I'll be doing the time series forecasting, univariate without any exogenous variables. So we go to the collab. So the first step, as usual, is to install Pycaret. So exogenous without any external variables that are affecting our target, will be predicting like what is the time series forecast. So here I've just taken airline passengers as my database and I have downloaded it from Kaggle and then it's in my it's on my drive. And then over here I have I'm importing the time series forecasting experiment. And then I'm just plotting whatever data I have for now. And then I had to do some pre-processing based on the data that we have available. So this is the setup part where I'm doing the use GPS equal to true and the target will be nothing but the total passengers. And then this is the other method, which is nothing but using object-oriented approach. And then I'm doing the same thing over here. Okay, here I am doing the setup for the experiment using these variables. And then same target will be the total passengers. And then I just change the forecast horizon over here. Yeah, if you see, this is the model that is plotted. Then I just plotted a few different graphs, as you can see. This is the autocorrelation plot, and this is the partial autocorrelation graph. And then this is the periodogram for all the passengers that were there. And then a few other different graphs which were there in the uh, collab for this particular experiment. Then this is nothing but the diagnostics of the particular data. Then all of the graphs together. And then the classical decomposition. And this is the time series forecast. As you can see, this is the test and this is what was trained. So we got a prediction. And then we're just checking a few stats. So this is for the null hypothesis. And then the second part of that particular collab was the modeling. So this is the modeling where I've created a ARIMA model. Sorry, that was a small glitch. So yeah, this is the ARIMA model, and then I'm predicting based on that. And then you can see actual versus out of sample forecast, like what is the prediction and what is the forecast using the ARIMA model. We're checking the stats, and then based on that particular model, we're plotting a few graphs. So if you see what the model predicted and what was the actual value, all of these different additive classical decomposition and then STL decomposition graphs. And then this is using another model, the LGBM regressor, and then you can see the prediction and then what was the actual thing, and tuning the model, and then just saving the model and then printing it. Baseline tuned after tuning, what is the prediction? Just printing the model and then saving the models. So if you see, this is the plotted graph for the final model that was created. And then this is the part 3 of it. I'm doing the same setup with the variables and then with the same data having 3 folds. So this, I think it's for the model accuracy, and then we're just comparing the models and getting the best model. Or checking all of the metrics. and then just making the prediction on the best based on the best model. So this was the blue, as you can see, is the total passengers, and this is what we got as a forecast, the orange. Okay. And then just saving the model again. And yeah, that is it for time series forecasting without exogenous variables. Thank you.